Welcome to Learning Children's Songs on Guitar using chords. Today you'll learn Amazing Grace. This is the perfect sing-along song on the guitar. This arrangement is from my new book, Let's Learn Guitar Together. And this book has 20 children's songs, including chords, strumming, tabs, and how-tos. And you can find my new book on my website using the link below. There are 3 steps to today's lesson. If you love how I teach and how I teach the lessons, consider subscribing to the channel. At Guitar for Kids, we help children find their thing, master learning how to play the guitar. This channel is for you if you are dedicated to practicing and want to get better and grow in this area. So we're going to take the 3rd finger, place it on string 1 at the 3rd fret. Then the 2nd finger is going to go on string 6, also at fret 3. And then the 1st finger is going to go on string 5 at the 2nd fret. And we strum all 6 strings for the chord of G. The next chord is C. I'm also going to be showing you some basic chords as well if you're new to chords. So I'm going to place my 3rd finger on the 5th string at the 3rd fret, and I'm trying to keep on the fingertip as much as possible. Then my 2nd finger is going to go on string 4 at fret 2, and then my 1st finger is going to go on string 2 at fret 1. Now on here we strum from string 5. Okay, so that's the chord of C. So the next chord you're going to learn is E minor. So we take the 2nd finger and we place this on the 5th string at fret 2, and then the 3rd finger goes on the 4th string at fret 2, and then pushing the strings to the fretboard, strumming all 6 strings. That's our chord of E minor. Okay, one more chord left to do, which is the chord of D. So I'm going to place my 3rd finger on string 2, fret 3, 1st finger on string 3, fret 2, and then the 2nd finger on string 1 at fret 2. So kind of like this. And then on D, we're going to make sure we strum from string 4 only. Okay, so those are the 4 chords that just make up Amazing Grace. So I call these the half chords, and a little bit easier for the beginner guitarist to start with. So we're just going to take our 3rd finger and we're just going to place it on string 1 at fret 3, and then we're just going to strum from string 4. And that's just an easier way of playing G. Okay, so for the C, we're going to take finger 1, and we're going to place it on string 2 at fret 1. This time we're just going to strum the bottom 3 strings, and that gives us a chord of C. And then a more basic version of E minor is just to take the 2nd finger and place that onto string 4 at fret 2, and then we're going to strum from string 4. Gives us E minor. And then D, we're going to place the 3rd finger on string 2, the 1st finger on string 3 at fret 2, And then the second finger is going to go on string 1 at fret 2. And we strum from the 4th string. Okay, so please take the time to pause the video and learn these chords. And even if you can, just memorize them. I just want to jump in really quickly here and tell you about our new online course, Guitar Lessons. Our YouTube channel shows you the tactics of playing guitar. But if you'd love a transformation that our online courses offer, the complete transformation, and being able to play guitar confidently and have this continued desire to play guitar and have more specific direction in what you're trying to do and have tasks and homework. If you'd love to be part of the Guitar for Kids community, then click the link in the description of this video. Welcome to step 2, and first of all we're going to grasp the basic strumming pattern. Okay, so I'm just going to be strumming with my hand first, and then I'm going to show you how to strum using a guitar pick. When we're strumming using the hand, we use the back of the fingers like this to go down towards the floor, and then we use the thumb or the nail on the thumb to go up like this. So that's the two different ways we strum the guitar. We can go down and up. The guitar pick to strum. So we want to make sure we're holding the guitar pick between the thumb and finger like so. And then we're going to push through the strings. So this is the down strum. We work at blending all the strings together, and then when we use the up strum, we just use the opposite side of the pick to go up like this. We want to try and get through the strings quickly. So that's the two different ways we strum. Next, we're going to have a look at what the strumming pattern is for Amazing Grace. So it goes down, down, up, down, up. Okay, and I'll just do that with my hand as well so you can see. Now you can probably hear that it's a completely softer sound when we strum using the hand, but it's a more projected sound when we use a guitar pick. So it depends on what you prefer. So what we're doing here is we're just breaking it down into small chunks, practicing all the various parts, and then we're going to bring it all together in step 3. And I'm going to bring the music on screen so you can follow also. So we're going to start with and I'm going to use the full chords here as well. And so we're going to start with G, and you'll notice that we've got 2 bars of G. So that's the grouping of 2 of those strum patterns. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and then we're going to change to C, and we've got 1 bar of this, 1, 2, and 3, and then back to the chord of G, 2, and 3, and again, 1, 2, and 3, and 1. So that's E minor, then D, 2, and 3, and 1. 2, and 3, and then back to G, 2, and G again, and then C, back to G, then E minor, then D, and then back to G. usually at the end of the song, we just do a long note just to show that we're finished. So I just tend to use a down strum for that. And this is the reason why I wrote this book. So you can see on the screen that you've got the chords, but also you've got like the notation and the tabs. So if you're teaching with this book or you're learning alongside your child, one of you can play the chords and the other can play the tune. So I'll just play you a little bit of the tune now so you can hear how that sounds. So you can imagine how that would fit with another guitar strumming, or you could even sing it, whichever. Both sounds great. Sign up also for a free online tutorial course by entering the receipt number into the website, and you will gain instant access to that. If you enjoyed today's lesson and had as much fun as me, go check out some more tutorials for learning songs and skill development. And let's have fun for life.